Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our Zootech family. Today's topic: Mangroves, the living coastal barrier. சதுப்பு நிலக்காடு. நிலமும் கடலும் சந்திக்கும் இடத்தில் அமைந்திருக்கும் சதுப்பு நிலக்காடுகள் ஒரு மௌனமான காவலர்கள். இவை வெறும் மரங்கள் அல்ல, வாழ்விற்கான உயிர்கோடுகள். So welcome back to our Zootech family dedicated to biology learning and tuition. சதுப்பு நில காடுகளின் அதிசய உலகிற்கு தங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம். Mangroves. They stand where land meets the sea. Silent sentinels with tangled roots and salt-kissed leaves. They are more than just trees. They are lifelines. Welcome to the world of mangroves, the living coastal barrier. கடலோர பகுதிகளில் வளரும் இவை தனித்தன்மை வாய்ந்த வேர்கள் மற்றும் இலைகளை கொண்டுள்ளன. பல தாவரங்கள் வாழ முடியாத இடங்களில் இவை வாழக்கூடியவை. Mangroves are salt-tolerant trees and shrubs found in coastal regions. With specialized roots and leaves, they survive where most plants cannot. During the 2004 tsunami, villages protected by mangroves had less damage. Their roots act like barriers, slowing down waves and saving lives. We'll be right back after a short break. Stay tuned. There's more to explore in the world of mangroves. Welcome back. Let's now discover how mangroves provide shelter to an incredible variety of life. How mangroves serve as homes for crabs, fishes, birds, and snakes, and how their roots provide shelter and breeding grounds for marine life. Let's now explore how mangroves serve as a sanctuary for a vibrant world of life. Mangroves as a shelter for biodiversity. Mangroves form a unique interface between land and sea, creating a rich and complex ecosystem. Their dense root systems and muddy substrate provide a safe, nutrient-rich and oxygenated environment, which is ideal for a new variety of species. If you take about the crabs, mangroves are full of burrowing crabs like fiddler crabs and mangrove tree crabs. These crabs, they dig burrows in the mud for shelter. Talking about the fishes, mangrove roots are nurseries for juvenile fishes such as snappers, groupers, and mullets. The aerial roots, which we are calling it as nematophores or prop roots, they form a maze-like structure which will protect the young fish from predators. Now, speaking about the birds, mangroves, they attract both resident and migratory birds, including herons, egrets, and kingfishers. Birds nest on the branches. They feed on fish, crabs, and insects. Some birds, they use mangroves as resting points during long migrations. And talking about the snakes, several snakes, including water snakes and tree climbing species, they inhabit mangroves. They prey on fish, amphibians, and small birds. Don't go anywhere, just a 5-second break and we'll be back with more hidden wonders of the mangrove world. Stay tuned. Thank you for staying with us. Now let's take a closer look beneath the surface into the roots of life itself. Roots, life beneath the surface. The roots of mangroves are the most vital feature for marine life. They anchor the soil and reduce erosion, offer shelter from waves and shade, lowering water temperature and stress for aquatic species. And what is the benefits to the humans? Mangroves, they provide firewood, protect coastlines and reduce carbon. They're essential for climate balance and human survival. Threats and restoration. A large number of mangroves are being lost due to human activities, especially the construction of resorts, roads, ports, and cities along the coastline, which results in the clear cutting of mangrove forests and the reclamation of land for urban expansion, ultimately destroying the fragile natural habitats. But we can still restore them through awareness and conservation. In many regions, people do not realize the ecological importance of mangroves. Weak enforcement of conservation laws lead to continued degradation. Mangroves, they are not just trees, they are ecosystems in themselves, hosting a symphony of life above and below water. Without them, many species would lose their homes and coastal food chains would collapse. Let's protect mangroves, nature's green shield. Saving them means saving our future. We'll return in just a few seconds with our closing thoughts. Stay with us. In conclusion, mangroves are being lost due to greed, ignorance, and mismanagement. But with the right policies, awareness, and community effort, we can protect and restore these green guardians of the coast. Thank you.